Welcome to the spoken tutorial on basic formatting of articles in Joomla. In this tutorial, we will learn about article editor in Joomla, basic formatting for an article, and styling an article text. We will also learn how to insert list, insert a page break, and insert read more links in articles. For this tutorial, we will be using Ubuntu Linux OS 14.04, Joomla 3.4.1, Apache, MySQL, and PHP obtained through XAMPP 5.5.19. To follow this tutorial, you should know how to create articles in Joomla. If not, check the relevant Joomla tutorials on the website. Earlier, we learned to create, edit, delete, and copy an article in Joomla. Now, let's learn how to format articles. Let's switch to the Joomla control panel. Click on Article Manager. Here are the articles we created earlier: Benefits of Sodium and Vitamin A. Let us view them on the Digital India web page. Click on Digital India at the top right of the page. We can see both our articles here. Click on Benefits of Sodium. We can see the article is not formatted. Let's go back to the Article Manager. Click on the article title, Benefits of Sodium. The editor in which we type the text of the article is called WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG is the abbreviation of What You See is What You Get. It means the article looks the same in the web page as seen in the editing window. Look at the menu bar of the editor now. The first row has drop-down menus, which have various formatting options. You can see the sub-options when you click on them. The second row has set of formatting options. So here we see a set of text enhancement options like bold, italics, underline, and strike through. Next, we see the options to align the text to the left, center, right, and justify. These work as in any other text editor. After the alignment options, we can see a button named Paragraph. When we click on it, we can see various options like Heading 1, Heading 2, etc. These are preset options provided by Joomla for formatting purposes. Headings are very useful in making text easier to read on the screen. Headings also define the hierarchy of details. Heading 1 defines the most important heading, and Heading 6 is the least important. Switch to Digital India web page. Here, the text Home is in Heading 1. The title of an article in Joomla is in Heading 2. Other headings like the main menu and login form are in Heading 3. Notice that the font size keeps decreasing with levels of headings. Switch to the Edit Article web page. Let us add one section on food sources of sodium. At the end of the article text, click Enter to begin a new paragraph. Type Food Sources as the heading. We will type 3 food sources here: salt, processed food, and canned food. Select the text Food Sources and in the paragraph drop-down, select Heading 4. Click on Save button. Switch to the Digital India web page and refresh the page. Notice the text Food Sources appears in bold. Go back to the Edit Article web page. Next to the heading Food Sources, add the text Let's look at some food sources of sodium. Here we have added the text in the same paragraph. The newly added text becomes part of the heading and is formatted as Heading 4. Please note that the header formatting applies to the entire paragraph and not to particular words. To separate this line from the heading, press Enter before the newly added text. Then select the text and from the paragraph drop-down, select the option Paragraph. The text is no longer in Heading 4 format. Let me add a text line at the top of the page. Chemical symbol of sodium is Na. Select the text line and then from the paragraph drop-down button, select Pre. The Pre option is for pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text is displayed in fixed white font and preserves both spaces and line breaks. Click on Save button. Go to the Digital India web page and refresh it. Notice that the newly added text appears in a grey box. It also appears in a different font and style. Pre-style is usually used for text that needs to stand out in an article. This could be poetic stanza, computer code, quotes, etc. Switch to the Edit Article web page again. Next, we have the bulleted list and numbered list option. Let us see how to use them. Select the last 3 line items in the article text. Now click on Bullet List icon and then click on Save button. Refresh the website to see the bulleted list in the article Benefits of Sodium. Come back to the Edit Article web page. The third row has some advanced formatting options like decrease and increase indent, undo and redo, insert links, images, tables, etc., subscript, superscript and special characters. You can try these on your own and see how they work. Let's look at our article again. Here we have 2 sections, text about introduction of sodium and its benefits and food sources. Let's separate these 2 sections using a horizontal line. Keep the cursor before the text food sources. Now click on the horizontal line icon in the formatting toolbar. This will insert a horizontal line. Save and refresh the Digital India web page. We can see the changes in the article Benefits of Sodium. Instead of inserting a horizontal line, why not put these 2 sections in 2 different pages? Let's try doing that. Go back to the Edit Article web page. First, we'll remove the horizontal line. So click on it and then press the backspace key on the keyboard. Now place the cursor at the point where we want to insert the page break. Scroll down and locate the page break button at the bottom of the editor window. Click on it. It will open an Insert Page Break dialog box. Enter sources as page title and food sources of sodium as table of contents alias. Click on Insert Page Break button. You'll see a zigzag line between the 2 sections. Click on Save button. Switch to Digital India web page and refresh it. The page says Page 1 of 2. There are Previous and Next button below the article text. A new block has appeared on the right. It helps us navigate to the various pages of the particular article. The title of the second page is the table of contents alias we typed earlier, that is, food sources of sodium. Click on Next button. Now the page says Page 2 of 2. Notice the page title that we typed in the Insert Page Break field. It has been appended to the title of the article. Now let's click on the Digital India link to go back to our website's homepage. Scroll down to see the article Benefits of Sodium. Notice here that the full article text is displayed on the homepage. Let us explore how to add a Read More option here. This option will show only a part of the article on the homepage. For this article, I'll insert a Read More link before the text. Daily consumption of sodium, however, depends on a number of factors. Go back to the Edit Article web page. Place the cursor at the point where you want to insert the Read More link. Now at the bottom, click on the Read More button next to the Page Break button. Scroll up and click on the Save button. Switch to the web page and refresh it. We can see the Read More link below the article text here. When we click on it, the article Benefits of Sodium opens, and it will display the full article in 2 pages, just as we had set it earlier. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about article editor in Joomla, basic formatting of an article, styling an article text. We also learnt how to insert list, insert page break, insert read more links in articles. Here is an assignment for you. Modify the 4 health benefits of sodium as a numbered list. Center align the heading Food Sources. Remove the read more link and put it just before Food Sources. Add the text melting point 97.72 degrees centigrade as pre-formatted text along with the current pre-formatted text. Hint is, use special characters to get the text degree Celsius in the article. Save the article. Refresh the home page. Observe the changes and understand what has happened. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates on passing online tests. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown. This is Priyanka signing off. Thank you for joining.